Hey, what's up guys? In this video we'll show you how to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing on your Facebook account. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon, click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. So first of all, we'll open Facebook and show you our account. We'll go to profile and then tap on three dots. Right now you can see the professional mode option not appear on our account. We'll show you 4 steps. By adopting these 4 steps you can fix this issue. In step 1, you have to open your phone settings. Scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, locate for Facebook application, tap on Facebook application, tap on storage. First of all, you have to clear cache and then you have to clear data. Now you have to go for the second step. You have to open Play Store and App Store for iPhone users. Type here Facebook. And you have to update your Facebook application. In step 3, you have to open Facebook application. Tap on these 3 lines. Tap on help and support. Tap on report a problem. Tap on continue to report a problem. Tap on don't include in report. From here you have to select option settings. So you have to take the screenshot where the professional mode option is missing. You have to attach that screenshot. Right now you can see we have attached the screenshot and you have to describe here the issue. Write down here. You will get this stuff in video description also. After adding your email address, you have to tap on send. Here you can see thanks your feedback helps improve. So our feedback is successfully submitted to Facebook team. They will review and take a necessary action on your request. Now you have to follow the 4th and the last step. Mostly users having this issue. You have to open Facebook application, tap on these 3 dots and make sure your account is unlocked. If your profile is logged, you cannot enable Facebook professional mode on your account. So what you have to do, you have to unlock your account, tap on unlock and then you have to tap on unlock, tap on unlock your profile. Here you can see you unlocked your profile. Tap on OK, refresh. Now you have to tap on these 3 dots and here you can see turn on professional mode option is now appeared on our profile. Tap on it. Here you can see the professional mode is enabled on our profile. Tap on turn on. And you have to fill up these information. Now you have to go back and here you can see now the Facebook friends are showing at the top as followers and Facebook professional mode is now successfully enabled on our profile. So in the same way you can also fix Facebook professional mode is not showing on your profile issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.